GHMTA has awarded music scholarships since its inception, and in the early 1980s adopted the disbanded Pro Musica Scholarship Program and the Musicale Scholarship Benefit Concert. Mariana Stensager was the chair of the Musicale for many years. The event grew in popularity over the years, and the location of the event moved from the Little Theater, or Room 220, at Grace Harbor College, to some in-between venues, and ultimately to the Aberdeen First Presbyterian Church. It came to be known for excellent performances by local musicians and gourmet desserts often catered by outstanding musicians themselves, John and Leslie O'Brien of O'Brien's Catering. The January 1997 Musicale was a gala event to celebrate GHMTA's 50th anniversary. The 2011 Musicale was held just days before Mariana Stensager passed away. Since then, the scholarships have been named the Mariana Stensager Memorial Scholarships. The Grace Harbor chapter has sent student representatives to perform at WSMTA state conferences over many, many years. Students participate in evaluations in order to be considered to perform at state. These evaluations were originally called auditions, then the name changed to adjudications, and now they are called Music Artistry Program, or MAP. Two of GHMTA's representatives to state, Christine Ellis Hill in 1977 and Erica Piquel Holland in 1984, are now members of GHMTA, and several of our students have been state representatives over the years. In 1997, WSMTA combined with the Oregon Music Teachers Association for a duo state conference at George Fox University in Newberg, Oregon. Many of our teachers have had gifted students represent our chapter and our district at the state conference honors recitals over the years. Grace Harbor is blessed with fine musical talent. The Music Artistry Program also offers educational evaluations that are non-competitive. In 1978, GHMTA and the Grace Harbor Symphony held its first concerto contest for a student to have the opportunity to perform a solo concerto with the Grace Harbor Symphony under the direction of Craig Wellington. In that first concerto concert, I played the entire 3 movements of Haydn's Piano Concerto in D major. Since then, the competition has expanded to include non-keyboard musicians, and the winner or winners usually perform one movement of their choice of a larger work, or an opera aria or art song in the case of vocalists, as long as the music is available to the symphony orchestra. Symphony conductors Bob Richardson and Dr. William Dyer have worked with the GHMTA to continue this tradition and give talented students the incredible chance to perform with the Grace Harbor Symphony. GHMTA began the Music Olympics program in the early 1990s. Laura Boyer had been the chair of the Music Crafters program for many years, but the interest in that program began to die off statewide. We heard of other chapters doing ribbon festivals, and Laura became chair of our first Music Olympics. It is a ribbon festival where students demonstrate their skills in events such as written music theory, techniques such as scales, chords, and arpeggios, rhythm, sight reading, performance, composition, and ear training. There is also the opportunity to create a piece of artwork or write a book report on a favorite composer or artist. These artistic items are judged before the event and displayed in the registration area on the day of Music Olympics. We wrote our own tests in the beginning. Then we adopted the Kansas Music Teachers Association's ear training program, and eventually adopted the WSMTA State Music Literacy Program for theory. Students who earn high honors in theory receive a gold seal on their certificate, and their name will appear along with their teacher's name in the WSMTA state newsletter, The Clarion. GHMTA has been an integral part